morning, everyone. It is now 9 a.m. and I have arrived at Tung Chung station.
So we're actually gonna take 11-hour day. I think we're gonna stop off at Tong Fuk.
This is where we got off, and I think it took about half an hour.
We have crossed the road.
So there's actually a public toilet here. Don't forget to go before you start the hike.
Oh, there is a store here. Oh my gosh, there are so many houses here. Ooh, look at this view.
I don't think I've
ever seen this side of Tung Chung before.
So there's actually a
Crossway here, but we gotta keep going up.
arrived at this channel. And I just dropped my phone
Down there, my phone flat. Oh my gosh, there's so many miscounts of this.
But can I get up there? No. Look at this beach. Is that point O? There's actually a crossway here. And we are gonna keep going
to the front.
Look at this beautiful beach. I don't think I've ever been to this beach before. I don't know what it's called. Oh, we can actually walk to Shore Hill from here. We are gonna follow this channel. Oh, look at these. I think, are they called pine trees? Anyways, we're gonna keep going forward. So we're now at this viewing point. That is actually Tong Fuk Village. That is where we came from. And there's actually a photo taking spot here. These flowers are called purple terrace. And then we are near the Teapot rock. Oh, so this is the Shui Ko Wan village. I've actually been there.
And then my friend said we can actually see
Chow over here, and he said 10 years later this view is going to be so different, so I want to video it and remember it.
Oh.
This is the Teapot rock, but it doesn't look like it at all. I'm
gonna try and fly my phone into it. Oh, there's like a little window rock over here, and it's just floating here. Oh my gosh, look at all these stuff. Wow.
at this hill. Maybe we're going over there. Okay, so we are now going up this road and we are following the pink ribbon along the way. This rock is called the Bird Turn Back Rock. We're gonna go down from this window rock. In Stock Tooth. So pretty. Take a photo here. This is actually called Skylight Stone River. And I just took a photo here. Oh, that rock is supposed to look like a mouse. Okay, we're now going into the cartoon stone. Oh, this island is called Fruit Tea Island. And then this one is called Shek Ku Chow. And then the other one is called Chang Chow.
Oh, this is the nice rock.
This is the Bird Turn Back Rock. We can actually see Shek Pik Reservoir down below. That is the Dogtooth Bridge Hill. This is what Dogtooth Bridge looks like close up. Oh, that is the silver lining. Wait. Yeah, we have finished the dog teeth, but it's super windy today. It feels like Typhoon 8. This is the actual Stone River, and I just took a photo here like this. Okay, so that is medium dog teeth. And then the one at the bottom is East Dog Teeth. You can actually go to the tiger roars at the Stone River. And I also took a photo. East Dog Teeth. We're gonna go up. This is the other side of the view. We're gonna go over there. It's so freaking windy. We're supposed to go down this road. We just came down from that road. There are so many rocks on that road. It was so slippery. But look at this beautiful view. I've actually been there before, and I think it's raining a little. Oh my god, look at these beautiful yellow flowers. I took a photo here like this. You can see the road. So, we are nearly there. And then, this is the view. Oh my gosh, look at these pine trees. Oh my gosh, look at all these little pines on the floor. I'm gonna take a photo of them. Okay, so like a crossway here, and we actually have to turn right and follow this channel. This channel where we started. We have to turn right to go back to the Tong Fuk bus stop. So I'm gonna end my vlog here. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you all with another traveling vlog. Bye!